Seven morning star, pundasyon na kay saya. Seven morning star, pundasyon ng biyaya.
My testimony of love and faith that brought forth unity and commitment. We never would find a time more beneficial in the existence of our 777 Morning Star Foundation than being able to aspire to a higher height of human endeavor. The forceful drive to kindle and mobilize a kingdom conceptualized almost out of nothing to speak of, just unconditional love and a bottom faith. It was love that brought together the truly dedicated officers and members in this grass-filled place. And it was faith that formed a nucleus for a massive workforce guided by the master plan of the master builder. It was love that was shelled out by willing hands and hearts of ordinary people to sacrifice hard-earned monies. And it was faith that inspired these people determination to support the kingdom projects without bounds and conditions. It was love that spelled out the intricacies and personality classes and indifferences and all the daily trivia that each and everyone has to confront with. And it was faith that cemented their commitment to face all the problems which grow constantly as the building effort was brought to a maximum level in order to get aligned with targeted timetables. It was love, indeed, that totally reversed the once upon a time sneers and sarcasm from the outside world to an attitude of admiration and respect. And it was faith, indeed, that made them watch in awe the structures springing up, one after the other, growing in fulfillment right before their eyes. Men, women, and young adults working hand in hand, sometimes hungry, most of the time tired, but all together undeterred and happy. Thus, this is the solid combination of an edifying love and the gift of faith projected by and through the leadership of the Morning Star, the Supreme Datu Aguila Mandaragit, without which, and more so, without his moral ascendancy for growth and achievement, everything would and could be impossible. One of our motivational values state that excellence performance is a blend of talent and ability, fused and sealed. Because aptitude without aspiration is lifeless and inert. We never run out of purpose, and this practically puts us always on the high category acclaim, radiating high performance, high values, high achievements. Truly a highly motivated kingdom spearheaded by a highly renowned Supreme Datu. God said, "You did not call me, but I called you out of darkness because you are a chosen generation." Yes, and we humbly acknowledge that the generation that pursues relentlessly here now at the kingdom of Maharlika has been called by God Himself to this very noble mission. And we bow in consonance and in unison to do our part to the best of our effort, no matter how trivial and difficult things could get. We adhere to where we started, from a simple statement of noble objectives, sprung our 777 Morning Star Foundation, composed of God-loving humanists, nationalists, and internationalists as well. They have willingly bounded themselves together to fulfill our common goal, and that is to achieve good life. God has given us a mystic knowledge to reach the 7,107 islands and islets of the country and lead them to a bountiful, holy life. We have guarded and safe-kept a vision that is attuned to the molding of a future truly deserved by the Filipino people. No man is an island, and as we salute our Supreme Datu for the greatness of his cause, we always say that a great man is just as good as the followers he nurtures. It is, therefore, immensely appropriate that we acknowledge these silent working Maharlika members, the builders and the speakers to the forefront, whose dedication and commitment have provided the Supreme Datu a surfing board to override the tide of challenge and hardship, to ultimately anchor triumphantly to the shore of fulfillment and abundance. The world now looks up to us as we stand on the top of the hill, ready to fulfill the prophetic vision. Throughout the country and the whole world, we now say with honor and dignity that the World Bank has given their commitment to become our steadfast ally as we embark on the rallying point toward the fulfillment of God's divine plan that will usher in perpetual peace, harmony, and abundant life for the Filipino people. All thanksgiving, glory, and honor to the Almighty Father, my God.
7